if I double click the receiver,
can you hear the difference? Yes, my voice was changed to power for mains voice, right? That's pretty cool. All right, if I double click again, you'll hear another one.
How's my voice? Is it sweeter?
Hey guys, today I want to share a funny function of this Boya mic mini. Don't worry, they didn't sponsor this video. The only sponsor of this video is myself. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button because that will help me a lot. Alright, let's get back to the topic. Now you hear me from the inner microphone of this Pocket 3. I didn't use any microphone because I want you notice the difference between with microphone and without microphone. Now I'm going to plug in this receiver and you will hear the difference. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear the difference between without microphone and with microphone? This is not what I want to show you because every microphone can do this. So what I want to show you is this one. If I double click the receiver, there's a tiny button on the receiver. If I double click, you'll hear the difference.
Can you hear the difference? I just double clicked the button. Can you hear the difference? Yes, my voice was changed to power for mains voice, right? That's pretty cool. All right, if I double click again, you'll hear another one. 1, 2.
How's my voice? Is it sweeter? I like this voice. What do you think? It's pretty cool, right? I'm going to change it back. 1, 2.
Okay, now this is my genuine voice. So what can we do? How can we use these two? I think you can use your imagination. For example, when we interview someone and that person, they don't want to show their voice, they don't want to show their real voice in a video or in the audio. So all we can do is double click the button on the receiver. Then no one can distinguish that person. No one knows who that person is. So that is pretty cool, right? You can use your imagination to find many interesting ways to use this function, not just the interview in your vlog maybe. Alright guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Once again, that will support me a lot. Alright guys, I hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one, alright?
I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.